Hello, everybody. Welcome to PowerMat's live interaction session, and thank you so much for joining us today. We are excited to be here at Ecomotion 2021. With us today, we have PowerMat's VP Product, Aya Kantor. Aya will dive into the trends and recent developments in in-car wireless charging technology for today's talk. For questions, please type your questions in the chat box and we will make sure to catch up with them towards the end and hopefully answer all of them.
Okay, thank you very much, Ophir. Hello, everyone, and to all of you who have joined, really excited to be here. Today, we're going to talk about PowerMat's connected car experience. So we live in a mobile world. We're always on the move and we're always in need for power. And just in the last decade alone, the demand for power has increased over 10-fold and our devices have become more and more power hungry. And the amount of devices we have are just growing. We have smartphones, we have tablets, we have earphones, we have smartwatches, all with great demand for power. Now, wireless charging is already here. It's a $9 billion market now in 2021. And it's comprised of lead industry brands such as Apple, Samsung, LG, General Motors, Ford, BMW, Haier, and more. And it's forecasted to reach over $40 billion in 2027. One of the interesting parts is that over 75% of smartphones sold in the US alone will feature wireless charging in 2021. And the automotive market is reacting, and there's over a 40% growth in automotive in-cabin wireless charging year over year. So just a bit about the status of the automotive market today. There are over 130 car models with wireless charging inside. It could be standard out of the box. It could be a dealership option. It could be an optional order with the car. And today there are over 10 million cars shipped to date with wireless charging inside. And you can see it in leading brands such as Mercedes, Hyundai, Ford, General Motors, Volkswagen, Toyota, and many, many more. So a bit about PowerMat. PowerMat has been leading the power innovation since 2006. Today we have over 100 granted patents. The PowerMat technology can be found in over 800 million embedded smartphones, 40 million embedded accessories, and 8 million embedded vehicles. And we work with select partners and licensees such as Harman, Flextronics, Microchip, Kyocera, Aptiv, and many more. A bit about PowerMat expertise. Our team of experts are specialized in magnetics design, meaning coils, providing tailor-fitted solutions for both chain proprietary-based solutions. We tailor-fit our solutions to the customer's unique needs. We support our customers all the way from design to production, and we help drive user experience. PowerMat has been around since 2006 and has wide experience in driving technologies all the way from the design board to the production line. So let's dive in about automotive and our truly connected in-cabin experience. The automotive wireless charging market trends, when we look at it, are changing, and wireless charging is becoming a standard feature for in-vehicle in all price ranges. So it's becoming from an optional experience to an out-of-the-box feature. Saying that, what is happening is that price is becoming, first of all, key in this industry. But we're also seeing the combination of wireless power with more technologies. And the wireless charging cradle is becoming a key in car connectivity. And you see a wireless charging cradle that offers power, but also the driver's smartphone connectivity. So it connects a smartphone with a vehicle. PowerMat's AutoPower 4.0 platform is a single platform for power and connectivity, which offers twofold reduction in the EBOM cost. Our solution supports a 50-watt Qi extended wireless power solution, and it also supports proprietary protocols such as Apple and Samsung Fast Charge. And today, PowerMat is one of the only solutions to support the new iPhone 12 phone. We support both single and multi-coil designs, advanced foreign object detection. Our solution is software-based architecture, and it's designed for the automotive environment, supporting fixed frequency design to avoid interference of the key fob. We also offer connectivity features such as NFC and CAN. PowerMat is one of the only CSPAR 25 Class 5 certified wireless power solutions today in the market. Okay. When we talk about wireless charging in cabin, to really create this cost-sensitive design, first of all, we need to talk about how it's implemented in the car. And we believe that a good solution is a one-size-fits-all. So when we talk about our customers, which are the tier suppliers who supply to the OEM, and they might be supplying to much more than one model, a single design should be suited for all vehicles and all form factors. Second, it's about being highly competitive in terms of performance. So we talked about cost, but let's talk about things that also matter, like user experience. One of the biggest things when we talk about the automotive market is fascial freedom. It's the ease of the user placing its phone on the charger. It's also supporting the ability to charge the phone even when the car is moving and the phone may shift on the charger. And PowerMat's wireless charging solution supports up to 66% more range per coil in comparison to competing solutions. And our standard single coil solution, we support a charging area equivalent to our competitor's 3-coil solution. And with our standard 3-coil solutions, we provide 66% more range than any other solution in the market. We talked about range. Additional factor that matters is also charging. So we want customers, when they go into the car, to get significant charging when they drive in the car. If we look at PowerMat in comparison to other solutions in the market, we can see that we can provide almost 10% more charging of the device while the car is in motion. We talked about power. Now let's talk about connectivity. Advanced NFC-based connectivity features. PowerMat's wireless charging solution combines both wireless power and NFC. With the NFC solutions, we offer 3 key capabilities. First is keyless car. So the mobile phone is becoming an inherent part of the car, and more brands are supporting keyless car solutions, not just to open the car, but using the mobile phone during driving session as a key. The second part is personalized settings. So once the driver places down the phone on the charger, the car will identify the user and put the settings according to his needs. It could be the seat, it could be the air conditioning temperature, and even his music. The third part is Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing. So today, when we go into the car, we're going to get pairing of the Bluetooth, but sometimes it will be slow. Sometimes it might identify the passenger and not the driver. With this solution, once you place the device on the charger, it will identify the driver and sync the Bluetooth with the driver with a quick sync. One additional unique feature about PowerMat solution is that it includes flexible software-based design. Most solutions today in the market are based on analog hardware solutions. PowerMat uses software over a standard MCU to support wireless charging. It's a single MCU-based solution with reduced peripheral components. These two create a reduction of up to 50% in the EBOM cost of the solution. It also enables a single platform implementation for all types of designs. It could be a design for cost, or it could be a premium solution. A software-based architecture also enables us to create an upgradable solution, supporting the next generation features such as authentication or proprietary formats that may come post-production. The last part of and benefit of having a software-based solution is the fact that we can tailor fit it very easily to the OEM or customer needs. It could be size, it could be cost, it could be power levels, it could be support of proprietary formats, or it could be the CAN interfaces. PowerMat solutions are field proven. We are the first solution to arrive to the market in line for wireless charging, and over 8 million vehicles with 22 models with PowerMat technology inside have already been deployed to the market in select brands such as Chevrolet or GMC, Cadillac, and more. PowerMat select licensees and partners include General Motors, Microchip, Harman International, Flextronics, Visteon, and Aptiv. So I talked a lot about our solutions, but let's talk a bit about how we work with our customers. So PowerMat is a technology platform provider. We provide solutions or reference designs for automotive. These are implemented by automotive tier suppliers. And we have the OEMs which come in and define the requirements for the solution. PowerMat provides a full reference design kit, which includes both software and firmware, and hardware components for implementation. We provide implementation support to our tier suppliers and OEMs, and we provide certification and testing services. The tier supplier will do the implementation of the design and manufacture the solution and will be responsible for the integration into the vehicle together with the OEM. So kind of just to summarize, PowerMat solutions, tailor-fitted to our customers. We do custom magnetic design. We do a design for cost. We provide the full support from design all the way to manufacturing, complete engineering and R&D services, and certification and testing. So what makes us unique, PowerMat works with the tier 1 brands in the market, including Samsung, LG, General Motors, and Harman. We're in the forefront of technology with end-to-end flexible architecture and over 100+ granted patents. PowerMat has one of the largest and fastest growing product ecosystem for automotive, robots, smartphone accessories, medical devices, IoT, and telecom. We have strong brand equity, and we're very known to consumers and in the automotive market. Thank you very much. Ophir,
Yeah, thank you so much for that wonderful presentation. We have a few questions that came in during the talk. I want to just jump right in and shoot them over to you. So the first question that we got here is, except for cars, on what other vehicles and transportation modes can PowerMat wireless charging be embedded?
Okay, so PowerMat's wireless charging technology for automotive in-cabin, it can be installed in both passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles such as trucks, two-wheelers, scooters, public transportation and trains, buses, inside marine and boating, and even in the aviation.
Great, thank you. The next question is, how fast is PowerMat's in-car wireless charging?
So PowerMat supports fast wireless charging. It supports the Qi 50-watt extended power protocol. It also supports proprietary formats such as the Apple Fast Charge and the Samsung Fast Charge. But when we talk about charging speed, not all solutions have been designed the same. And efficiency is one of the key factors to enable faster charging over a long period of time. And PowerMat's unique system architecture provides a significantly higher efficiency than other solutions in the market, enabling faster charging for extended period of time.
Great, thank you. We're going to pick our two last questions. What do I need to achieve? What do I need to do to achieve wireless charging and NFC-based communication?
Okay, that's an excellent question. So PowerMat provides turnkey wireless charging reference designs. The solution is based on a coil, a microcontroller with the PowerMat software stack inside, and a small amount of peripheral components. PowerMat's software-based automotive can be ported into any standard automotive-grade Cortex M0 microcontroller. PowerMat solutions can already be found on Microchip automotive-grade Cortex M0 MCUs, which are now available for purchase.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. One last question before we go. Someone's asking, what affects smartphone charging speed when using wireless charging?
Okay, so smartphone charging speed is mainly affected by the device itself. It's affected by the internal battery temperature. The internal battery temperature is crucial factor for the charging rate. Most smartphone handset manufacturers have actually a threshold of 37 to 40 degrees in which they will turn down the power and start charging slowly. High quality designs, which provide high efficiency, actually enable faster charger over a longer period of time, providing sufficiently more power in the same time frame.
Okay, great. I think that's all the time we have for today. Aya, Kantor, PowerMatt's VP Product, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you, for joining us.
Yeah, absolutely. Please stay tuned for our next session, powering wireless